name is Steve Maggi. I'm the founder of SMA Law Firm, which is a boutique international immigration and consular law firm. My focus is primarily on what I call outside-in immigration, which means helping foreign businesses and entrepreneurs that want to launch a startup here. The reason I was attracted to immigration law is because I'm an immigrant myself. I came here when I was 5 from Argentina. My mother was American. So my practice actually started outside the US. I was the only US immigration attorney in Argentina, and I was there for 7 years. So that shaped my expertise and my practice. What happened was eventually I started getting cases from other countries, and I've now processed the E2 visas in about 35 US embassies. I'd like to speak to the people who are outside the US. There are many options for you. If your idea is to live the American dream, you can do that through a business venture, an investment. It's not just diversity lottery or having a direct family member. What's most in demand now, which is an expertise of mine, is EB-5. Certain nationals qualify for the E1 or E2 visas based on whether their country has a corresponding treaty with the United States. So, for example, if you're from Syria and your country does not have a treaty with the US, you cannot apply for an E1 or E2 visa. Brazil, Russia, India, and China, which are the 4 major developing nations, which are called the BRIC countries, none of them have the investor treaty visas with the US. Out of necessity, they gravitate to EB-5. EB-5 is an employment-based visa that allows you to invest $500,000 in most cases in a project which creates 10 jobs per investor. Almost 100% of investors for EB-5 are from those 4 countries. My first case was in 2006, it was a Brazilian national, and I've been doing those for the last 8 years. And so there are many ways, through businesses, through new ideas, that you can actually live the American dream. Relationships are everything in this business. Personal relationships with your clients are everything in terms of winning their trust, of getting potential referrals. And then the other part of that is relationships with other attorneys. Personally, I chose to be very good at one thing. I want to refer clients and people that I know to other attorneys who are also specialized in one thing, and they do it extremely well. My ethic is always represent the client the best way that you can. The legal field has changed so much that each field has become extremely specialized. With a finite amount of time per day, it's impossible for us as sole practitioners or specialists in small firms to vet every attorney that we meet and to know that those attorneys are the best ones to represent our clients' best interest, the people that we love, our friends and family, contacts, etc. Advocacy to me is the reason why someone becomes a lawyer. I have this romantic notion that we become lawyers to help other people, not to start litigations, not to drive up costs, not to, watch the bottom line. It's really about, are we doing this because we want to help our clients and protect them? Because they are other human beings, and on that level we want to assist them. Advocacy to me means doing it for the right reason, having the right motivations, always putting your client first, and also working with people and connecting your clients to people who think the same way.